Goodness. Sabi ni Bebe, can an unconstitutional act be equated to an illegal act? Also then, if so, can all those involved in the transfer be charged under the mala inse offense? I think so. Pero when it comes, yun nga sinasabi ko sa inyo, technical malversation or plunder. Nandoon naman nasa petition yan eh. Pero mga kabatas natin, that will be determined in a different case. Kumbaga mga kabatas natin, yung mga nag-file kasi na kaso na yon, questioning the constitutionality of the fund transfer, okay? Linagay lang nila na kung pwede i-determine sana, it was a prayer to the Supreme Court to determine the criminal liability of Secretary Recto. However, the Supreme Court said, hindi ito yung tamang kaso. The prayer or the request was denied, but hindi inabsuelto si Recto doon sa kanyang pananagutan. Gets nyo?